Now, for our ICCC panel, for all our ICCC participants to know, this session is a session wherein we have called five of our ICCC alumni members, and they are going to talk about their experience with the ICCC advanced and masters level, and some of them have actually done, are using our SAS portal. How that entire SAS portal is working out for them. So of course we have two panelists who haven't joined yet, but they'll join us. But we'll get started. So what we'll get started off with is we'll start off with introducing all of them and taking it from there. So this will be an extremely exciting session for our ICCC participants because they'll get some hands-on information on how the credentialing process works. And for our panelists to know, this is our foundation level. We have lots of participants who would love to know a little bit more from you in terms of how your experience has been in for the ICCC journey as well as the partner portal. So I'll start off with Dakshayani. Dakshayani, why don't you actually tell us a little bit about your journey on your own? Because I get a lot of questions from people who've joined the foundation level wanting to know who should do the certification program. I'm not from the psychology background. I'm an engineer. I am a HR consultant. Will this program help me? Why should I do it? So Dakshayani, and if you could just help me understand your background and what made you take the plunge into the certification and career coaching.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. And I think I should say I've been lucky, one of the luckiest who have caught on to the wave early on when the COVID situation started last year. And I'm a counselor, academic counselor, basically. I've worked in Bangalore in one of the colleges here for 2 years, but I had no formal certification as such. I was doing it as, on my own, on some research that I had done. But then when the COVID situation started and everything started shutting down, I was left with options of upskilling and adding to more credentials and certifications and all that. When I was on the lookout, I came across Mindler and did their foundation course. The foundation level is like this movie teaser. You just get a glimpse of what is to come, and you're like a new bride who has no idea what is to come in the family. But once you are given this glimpse and you just start absorbing the enormous knowledge that is presented to you, and you're in awe. I mean, hearing PD sir and Shilpa and all the enormous amount of data that is thrown at you, it's just you're in awe of how much is out there for you to learn. And then after the 2-day foundation course, the advanced level slowly gets you involved in the process, and it lets you bring your learning to a more structured, more coherent way of organizing yourself with the necessary skills that are needed to be an effective counselor. And the program is designed and executed brilliantly, where in stages you're exposed to the webinars, the group interactions, live projects, and you get to network within your community.
So, Dakshayani, I'll come to the advanced and master's level shortly. First, I just wanted all of them to know what your background is like. So, Dakshayani is from Bangalore, and of course, some of you are from Bangalore here, and I'm sure you would want to connect with her just to know, what she's doing and how it worked out for her. So, I'll come back to asking about the advanced and master's level. Right now, primarily, I just want our participants to know more from what your background was and why you, started your journey in career coaching. So I'll come to Tina now. So Tina, why don't you help us understand just a little bit about your background and why you started the entire ICCC journey?
Sure, Isha. So first of all, good afternoon, everyone. At the outset, I would like to congratulate you for having taken the right decision to undertake Mindler's foundation course. Let me assure you, you couldn't have asked for better to train you in this arena of career counseling than Mindler. So with that, I must tell you that been in teaching all these years. 19 years I've given as principal and also a teacher in different schools. And after that I started teachers trainer activity, like I was training teachers in different schools. And whenever I used to go there, teachers used to ask me, ma'am, why don't you guide our children regarding their career courses and all. So I always used to tell them, no, I am not qualified for it. Definitely once I'm qualified, I'll start with you, especially, the schools who are asking me, definitely will do something. So then I started looking for some opportunity to get, started from somewhere. And then I found this particular place, Mindler, where I thought, yeah, this is the right place. I should get in and get myself qualified as a career counselor. So mine has been an amazing, though whirlwind journey that has taken me from being a greenhorn like you to a practicing international certified career counselor in a matter of 7 months. To top that, I have a startup company that I have founded with two other fellow students of Mindler program, Anuradha and Aparna. I attribute all this to the outstanding, coaching, guidance, and support by Mindler. Not only did Mindler provide us the finest learning platform, material, instructors, guides, but they also arrange, amazing guest speakers who honed our skills to
Yes,
no end.
Aishwarya.
To top it, yeah, to top it all, Mindler's support to us
Hello.
continues even as we become professionals.
Hello.
They are supporting us throughout our journey. So their most positive team, their support, their doubt clearing sessions, and you can approach them whenever you want. So that is the best thing about Mindler.
Thank you.
So yeah, that is what I've
Thank you so
experienced.
much,
Yeah.
Reena. Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
Isha.
Reena. So have Gargi and Jatin joined? Can we have your cameras on if you've joined, Gargi? Is Gargi here? I do
Yeah.
see your name here.
She has joined, however, I feel that she has a technical problem from her end.
And Jatin?
Jatin, I'm just following up with
Okay,
him.
perfect. No problem. So let's move on to Rakesh. So I have known Rakesh for quite some time now, and Rakesh did the advanced level way back in the day when the advanced level was never a multi-level certification. It was just one, the entire advanced level was just one program. So Rakesh, just tell us a little bit about yourself before speaking of the advanced level. Just let us know where you are from, and why did you go ahead and do the certification.
Right. Thanks, Isha. It is quite an interesting journey for me because right now I'm actually speaking from Imphal, Manipur, and I think I'm the farthest participant in this webinar today. But before this, I lived in Delhi for 20 years, and I have worked in Delhi with Cambridge Assessment as the country manager for 10 years. So what my profile, allows me to travel, all across the country, and I have been interacting with students and teachers and parents. What I found, during my, I would say, tenure with Cambridge was when I interact with parents and the students, especially. We have been talking about this herd immunity nowadays because of the COVID situation. What I found in those days was something of a herd mentality amongst the students because they seems to follow just one direction. They don't seem to have a proper guidance on what kind of career they should pursue. So that kind of triggered me to pursue this career counseling as a profession. And I mean, after I kind of left Cambridge, I was involved in giving orientation sessions to students, interacting with students and all. But I was always thinking like maybe it will help me much better if I could have a platform to diagnose what kind of a person the student was and all those things. And it was, I think, quite lucky for me because I come across Pratik from Mindler. I think when Pratik explains to me about Mindler, I thought, like, well, this is actually what I was looking for, and it helped me a lot after the advanced training. I mean, it opens lots of avenue for me to explain to the student, what they should do in the future and all. So that's how it started. And talking about the advanced course that
I'll
I
just come to the advanced level, Rakesh. I'll just get everyone introduced and I'll just come back to it with some specific questions. So thank you
Sure.
so much, Rakesh. Moving on to Gargi now. Gargi, would you just tell us a little bit about your journey? Yes, you have always been a counselor. So everyone here is from different backgrounds, is what I'm trying to help all the ICCC participants understand. So Gargi, why don't you share a little bit about how you, thought of getting into career coaching? Just a little bit about yourself and which city you are from.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this discussion. Actually, I belong to Kolkata, and yeah, I was into counseling for many, like I think now for more than 15 years. But I think at one point of time, a few years back, I have started thinking, or I was feeling that what I'm doing as a counselor, am I on the right track, or is it right that to know more about the actual background of counseling, more about the practice of counseling and things like that. And that is one point of time I started, in fact, we started finding out, different resources, different forms. And in fact, I work with Nirmal. You all must have met Nirmal. So that was a time when Nirmal also said that since you want to do that, why don't you join Mindler and try to find out that what all they are doing in this. When this ICC journey started, I think I was in the batch two. It was the second batch of my, and those days it was not this kind of a program. It was just two phase. First phase where actually both the first and second phases were clubbed together. So, and I went to Delhi, had my first session. I think that is a beginning where I realized that I think formalization of anything that we are doing and testing oneself, what you are doing, are you on the right or not, is very important. And Mindler gave me that kind of
Thank, thank you so
ideation.
much. Thank you so much, Gargi. And this was just a little round where I wanted you all to know the panelists, what their background was. And now I'm going to get down to the question of the advanced journey. But before that, I also thought I'll bring in Raghav, who is from our team, and he has done the advanced level. And Raghav does not come from a psychology background. So Raghav, just few lines on why did you think of doing the certification program, because I remember you actually asking me that Isha, I'm very curious and I want to add another feather, so if I can go ahead and do the certification. And I was like, of course, why not? So yes, Raghav, what made you inclined towards the same?
Perfect. Thank you, Isha. So yes, just for everybody's reference, as Isha has rightly pointed out, I do not come from a psychology background. I am a purely tech person. But because I'm in the education industry, I just felt having a certification to kind of be able to impart this knowledge, guide the students towards a domain that I come from. I just felt that certification was, just I would say the last piece of the puzzle. It just completed what I was trying to achieve here. So initially when I started my ICCC journey, I mean, of course, I remember reaching out to Isha because I was so impressed by the way the entire curriculum was being designed. And I was privileged enough to see the workings of it behind the scenes. I was part of the system. And the fact that I had not yet done it myself, I just felt that I'm missing out on so much. And I mean, I'm not going to spill the beans right away because I want to hear from everybody else first, but I can assure you that it's been one of the best decisions I made, and it's been absolutely beautiful.
Great. So thank you so much, Raghav. Now let's get to understand, and I'll ask Tina first. So Tina has done the advanced level, and she currently just finished her master's level. Like, she's done with it. Of course, her scores are yet to come out. So Tina, will you help us understand how was the advanced experience for you? First question, and second, how was advanced and master's different, and why you feel both worked very well for you? You're on mute, Tina.
So, Isha, definitely advanced level is something which is very new to us. We start exploring new things, like whatever assignments we get, starting from, looking for colleges, universities, to learning, what kind of courses are there. And then the situation-based questions which are given in the assignment, where you have to look for certain colleges, courses, shortlist them, start looking for links, and you learn so much, from all that. And it's a lot of homework. Yes, assignments are nothing like, it's not like, okay, overnight you will finish with it. You need a lot of time and patience at the same time. So yes, we used to get that much time to research. It's kind of a research work where you get exactly into the depth of the courses. Okay, and you start learning about more courses. If you're talking about engineering, maybe today, like if you join advanced course, you will know that, okay, engineering is like these courses. But when you start researching, you come to know about so many new courses, new avenues, and new age careers, which are offered to students. And at the same time, Mindler is helping you out with the material they give you, to go through. So that is the best thing. You can go through their manual, you can go through their webinars, you can go through the study material which is provided to you, and you end up learning so much, from profile building of students to how should they go about taking admissions, what things they should consider while they're taking the admissions and all, and what is the assessment process and all. You learn it everything in the advanced course, whereas master's course is very different. It is more psychology based, and you learn very different things. There you are dealing with more how to take sessions, proper sessions with your clients to make them comfortable. How should you put your questions across? What are close-ended, open-ended questions? How should you use your helping and coaching skills? That is very important. How should you go assessing them in a proper way? What are the latest job trends? What is the market? What is labor market all about? All those things we'll not be learning in advance. That's a part of master's course, and it is, I tell you, it is very, very interesting. So you don't get bored, because master's is totally different from what you learn at advanced level. And you're interacting with David and Barbara from US. Live webinars are there. It's so interesting that you are into conversation with them. So they also ask you such interesting questions at times, keeping Indian mentality in mind, that, okay, let's see how these people think. So that becomes very, very interesting. So those conversations are very interesting. You end up learning so much from both of them. And of course, Dr. Chadda is there in master's course, who is like a kind of father in psychology thing. So you get the best from all these people. They are actually the best in for master's course. So I've just finished it. A lot of assignments, definitely, and challenging part is there, because you have to do a lot of case studies. You have to get used to those case studies, and they give you enough practice for the same. But yes, it's a challenging course and interesting at the same time. So I have enjoyed my journey in both the courses. Yes.
Great. Yes, Tina, it's very fresh for you because you just finished your case
Yes.
studies, and I remember interacting with Tina through the last three
Right.
months, and her diligence, her dedication towards all of it has been tremendous. I do know her marks also, so
Oh.
I mean she's done a good job. Not on the case studies, that I don't know yet. So she's done great, and of course now she uses the portal, so that's great. Now, after Tina, let's move on to Dakshini. But before I move on to Dakshini, I would request the participants to, ask more questions. If you have any specific question you would want to ask the alumni, they would be more than happy to answer your questions. We will also share their email IDs as well as their LinkedIn profiles with you, so you can connect with them there. So, Dakshini. Now, Dakshini is someone I think I've known for a year now. I remember speaking to Dakshini last year around this time. I think she was one of the first people to join our virtual conferences, which happened in April or May, if
Yeah.
I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
And I remember her attending the foundation level, and I remember speaking to her, and she told me as to how she already likes doing her research. She's helping some of her friends, children in career coaching and counseling. So, I just loved her dedication for that particular cause, and she had already been doing it. So, she asked me such pertinent questions in that 45-minute call that we had. So, I was like, she is definitely someone who's going to really learn a lot from this program. And exactly that happened. She did the advanced, then she went on to do the masters, and she was, she was really inspiring through the entire 6-7 month long journey. I think she made some fantastic friends also, in the entire both the advanced and masters group. But Dakshini, if you could help us understand, how come, how was the advanced level for you, and how the advanced and masters were different in their own way, and what were your 3-4 key takeaways from both the advanced and masters level?
Um, Isha, I think the most vital thing for any counselor to be convincing is the confidence that you bring with the knowledge that you're showing in front of your clients. And for somebody to, really trust you with their life and career, you have to be really convincing with all the, information that you can give them. So I think that confidence the advanced program gave me when I spoke to you about doing the advanced program and the masters and how it's going to help me. I think I went through the journey absorbing each and every giveaway that was there that was possible at that stage, and made use of it to the maximum. And completing the advanced program left me wanting more in terms of taking this a notch higher and excel. I wanted to gain more credibility and be able to drive my own business, and with the same depth and superlative service that Mindler gives, it's in the, and offers in their domain. So then I enrolled for the master's program, and the hand holding that is there, it gives you how to use it practically and how to apply all that you have learned. It's not enough if you just have the theoretical knowledge. So the nuances of counseling, handling each case differently with your own intuitive problem solving ability, because every case that comes is different, and how you reason why you recommend something for a student. I think all this has given me the ability to interact with a diverse population and see how they respond. And I've been doing counseling after finishing my master's with Mindler. I have been using the partner portal, and I have been effectively doing it online. And a lot of my clients have, they're seeing that fine balance that I'm able to bring in terms of hand holding and also allowing them to decide what to do. I think that maturity I have gained from this program.
Great. Thank you so much, Dakshayani. So there are tons of questions coming in now. So I'll also try to pick few of those. But before that, let's come to Rakesh. So Rakesh, tell us how the advanced level has helped you in your journey. I know you did it a while back, but how was the entire experience? And you're all set to join the master's level in May. So we are looking forward to having you there. But how is the advanced level certification? How has it helped you? And anything you'd like to tell the participants that you really enjoyed when it came to the entire advanced level?
Right. As I briefly mentioned, I was doing some sort of not. I won't say counseling. I was kind of orienting students, and I always feel that there is a kind of lack of some evidence from the students side where I could kind of investigate so that I can give them a more appropriate guideline. So that part was missing, and the advanced course kind of give me all lots of avenue to kind of dig. I would say kind of interrogate what the student, or let's say the client, would be needing. So that's one thing which I found it very useful from the advanced course. And the other thing is, the course is structured in such a way that you're not just being feeded with lots and lots of information and technical ideas. You are given a chance to actually kind of it's kind of thought provoking for everyone to kind of think like, well, I've seen this situation now. What should I do as a kind of a second step? So that kind of a flexibility and that kind of I would say a provocative approach is very much in the modules and in the assignments. So it's kind of, sometimes I feel like it's very it's a self-learning process for the counselor, even if you don't have a background in psychology. The course itself would make you think and would kind of bring you towards the area where you would be acting more appropriately when you deal with the students. So that's what I feel about the advanced course.
Great. Thank you so much, Rakesh. So that I'm sure was helpful for everyone to know. And he rightly said, it's not that we are only teaching, and it's not like a full power classroom where only the teacher is telling you what to do. It's a flipped classroom. So we love that concept. For those of you who don't know what flipped classroom is, of course, we take you through all the important sessions, but we also make you think on your own, come back with powerful questions, do your own reading, do your own research, and come back to us with questions. So that's what a flipped classroom is. Coming to Gargi now. Again, like Gargi mentioned, Gargi is someone who works with Nirmal. All of you met Nirmal, who is, of course, an expert when it comes to overseas education. So Gargi, will you also just help us understand a little bit about the advanced and master's level, and any kind of tips and tricks that you would want to share with all our participants about the same? A lot of them are questioning that, will they be able to start their own practice after the advanced and master's level? If you can also, cover a little bit on that.
Surely. I think the first thing I would like to share here is, whether it's advanced or masters, the Mindler course is designed in such a way that it never makes you feel that you come from a psychology background or you don't come from a psychology background. That has nothing to do with the whole course. So what actually we learn in the process is basically, if you talk about the advanced, I would say rather it gives you the starting point of who is a career coach and what should be your role as a career coach, and what all are you doing as a career coach, and the kind of shadowing or the life projects that we get to do in the process, where actually I remember after my project, when I got all the feedback, very meticulous feedback, so I started recapitulating and self-reflecting. So in fact, this career of counseling or coaching depends a lot on our own introspection and self-reflection. So the advanced course is actually giving you that insight to open up. And more importantly, it is talking about your passion as a career coach. Are you really passionate about doing it? Are you really passionate and considerate about your students or your counselors? That's much more important. And how ready you are to know more about or to research regularly. This career, again, I just come back because and then from here we moved on to the master's course, which actually has told me one thing very clearly, or made me realize one thing clearly. You get the certificate and you sit tight. No, it is not going to happen. Certificate, yes, it's a credential that you are achieving to prove to yourself that yes, I am capable of doing this job. But this work or this field is made for the people who are ready to research, ready to learn every day. Because I think Asia and all are telling you or telling all of us every day the same thing. Every day there is a new profession. Every day there is a new opening. But are you researching this job market, this labor market, everything, and all the case studies, the live case studies, and the uniqueness? What I loved is when we are doing the master's course, I was one of the fortunate ones to be doing it in the first batch, but that doesn't make any difference, I know for sure. But I think ultimately we could finish 12, 11 or 12 of us were finishing the course, and each one of us in the finals got all individual case study question, which is awesome. And actually, even we were trying to discuss amongst ourselves, but we learned a lot from our own case studies and from others also. So basically, it is such a dynamic platform that make you ready and make you realize that, more importantly, realize that, yes, I'm ready to do that. And I'm sure initially we all must check that, am I passionate? Do I have the qualities? So advanced will let you know all this. And when we move on to the masters, it gives you that consolidated platform or the footage where you can start working and more confidently, as you have become absolutely confident. Yes, I'm ready to do this kind of a job.
Great. So Gargi is the most empathetic person you will ever meet. I mean, I know she's already counseling so many students, and the kind of feedback she gets, it's phenomenal. So she is very gifted like that, but she very rightly said it. You have to know from within if this is something you want to pursue. Only if you are capable of having a student's life in your hands, go ahead and take it up, because it's a very big responsibility that you're going to be taking up. So of course that confidence has to come from within. We definitely help you in empowering yourself to build that confidence, but ultimately you yourself have to push yourself, because you are only the person who's capable of making the change in yourself. You were going to say something, Gargi?
Yeah, I just want to add, and in fact, Mindler's role in this whole process is, Mindler helps you all through, the whole team of Mindler, our mentors, our coaches, and all Mindler colleagues of ours. They all helped us all through to understand wherever we had a problem. If we have gone back to them, immediately there was a reply. So that way, the confidence building process has happened immensely well working with Mindler.
Great. Thank you so much, Gargi. Now I just saw Jatin has joined. Good evening, Jatin. So Jatin, if you could just introduce yourself, also tell us a little bit about yourself, and then share your experience of the advanced and master's level, maybe 2 to 3 USPs, and over to you.
Basically, I belong to Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and I'm an humanities graduate and B.Ed Gold Medalist from GLE University, Mathura. Currently, I'm working as an inside sales specialist in Programming Pathshala, Ghaziabad. It is a coding tech company which teaches coding to computer science students and help them get referrals in the top product-based companies like Walmart, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So my experience in the advanced Mindler is very fruitful. Basically, by going through the assignments in the advanced level, I upgraded my information as a career counselor, because the assignments that are designed in the advanced level help you to be more informed regarding the different careers that are available for the students. This stage is all about upgrading your research skills, upgrading your knowledge regarding the content related to different career counseling sectors, and just going on for that. And talking about the that master's level, it is all about the real life scenarios that will come in front of you as you will deal as a career counselor, because you never know what type of case you meet someday. I have also made some cases like that are already being done by me in the master's level. So it will really help you to tackle the situations that are thrown at you at the time of real counseling if you go through the level of master's.
Okay, great, Jatin. So, Jatin also works as an associate with us. He's worked on a lot of freelance projects, and we've got some brilliant feedback for all the sessions he's taken. So, that's great. Raghav, coming to you now. You have done the advanced level, and now, our Raghav is also, of course, he looks after the growth vertical at Mindler, but he is very inclined towards overseas coaching and counseling. And, of course, he's very good at that too, because he himself studied outside. So, how has that helped you, now that when you're looking at or meeting people or researching, how has the advanced level helped you out in your journey so far?
Okay, so a lot of the points have already been covered. So I'm going to put it in a way, now I come from a tech background, so I'll put it in a very tech way now. So when I was learning how to code, one thing our professors always told us was, make sure it's not for one person. You do it in a way that's efficient. Become efficient, and that's all, right? I think when I started my advanced, that's what I experienced. I knew how to do this. I knew how to conduct research, right? We all do certain things. Everybody can Google, but how to do it efficiently, because Google is going to throw a lot of data at you. You need to have the skill set to be able to segregate what's useful and what's not. That's what I was able to learn. I really don't need to praise the experts that will be taking these sessions for you. We've all seen Parikshit sir, we've seen Shilpa ma'am, we have Isha here, we've got Abhishek who was here with us, right? We've got experts taking these sessions, and there's absolutely no denying that the quality that you're going to get out of this is unparalleled. Now, I'm not going to be downplaying anybody, but there are so many other options in the market, and we get this question all the time, right? But there's a reason why this is so good, because not only these are not pre-recorded sessions, they're happening live, right? So for example, the NEP came out. It was discussed in the upcoming sessions, right? And I could question the experts, I could question PD, so I could talk to Shilpa ma'am, okay, what sort of impact will the NEP have? Were these pre-recorded, I would have had no clue how is the NEP going to impact anything. So I think that's the beauty of it, that it's live. And not that I'm part of Mindler, I was treated differently, but we are all added in a WhatsApp group, right? You message any time of the day. It could be post 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., message there. And I promise you that the response time is absolutely quick. Now, of course, I could drop them direct messages also, but I was part of the system. I followed it very fairly, and the response times are absolutely great. And not only this, I understand that, life happens, right? We're all dealing with so many things these days. The pandemic is going on. We've got our families to deal with. And one thing that you will love about this course is that the way it's structured, there's so much flexibility there. We understand, you might not be able to, let's say, submit an assignment on time on, let's say, X date. Take 2 days, talk to your cohort manager, and they'll be more than happy to accommodate all your requests. The fact that they make you feel that there's the sense of belonging, the sense of ownership, you almost feel that you're part of a family, you're part of a community. And the fact that all of us are sitting here, I think this is a vibe that is being exuding from all of us.
I really don't need to say this, but this is the vibe that we're getting from this session as well. So I think I can just vouch for the same. So yeah, that's me. And I'm really looking forward to the masters as well now.
Great. Yes. And then Raghav, after he finished the advanced level, I remember him again coming back and calling me, Isha, when can I do the master's level now? I was
Yes.
like, whenever the next batch starts, the floor is all yours. So, yeah, so he is also extremely, I'm sure all of you interacted with Raghav, so you know he is extremely good at what he does. And I really liked what one thing Raghav said was the networking also, in a way, that you do with your cohort members is something I have seen in all your cohorts, like Tina starting her venture with 3 of her ICCC Masters participants, Dakshini and her friends, similarly Gargi, Rakesh. So everyone has built a very good network, and I think especially in the past 1 year, since everyone was at home mostly or went out only for a little while, it was good. It was good to have friends, good to interact, good to network. So that's definitely something even I have seen worked out very well. Now I see questions on, and I'll put this to Jatin. Jatin, how was your experience being an associate for us? Like, when you worked on the DLF Foundation, how was your experience with that? If you could just let our participants know.
Basically, the experience was quite good. It was just like a real counseling. It was on telephone basis, not on video call. And the classes that I dealt were class 10th, 11th, and 12th grade students. Basically, we have adopted different approach for all the classes, that how we will counsel them and what we need to tell them. Just for example, we didn't need to tell them about more career options to a class 10 student. We need to tell them how to take a proper stream selection. So we are focused on how a class 10th student will take a proper stream selection in class 11. So our focus at that time was at the stream selection more than on the career part. Then if we talk about the class 11th student, then we discuss them what are the interest areas in career professions you have. Then we can suggest them about the different types of entrance exams, so they can start their preparation early well, so that they are in a good position in class 12 to face with all India exams that are taken by different careers. Then third, how we counsel the class 12 students. Suppose class 11 students have taken 3 options, that they could do medical, they can go for engineering, or they also want to be a lawyer in future. So by studying in class 11, they will come to know that which type of career is giving them more interest in. So we can minimize our career options in the same way. So in class 12, the student will also get the clarity. Okay, sir, this type of exam I want to give, this type of entrance exam I want to prepare, and this is the field that is more perfect for me. So we just provide the information, we just make the child more informed, we help the child to acknowledge himself, we make the child to think about himself, what are their core areas, what are their strengths, and what are their weak points. So child ultimately at the last, we need not to counsel the child to foreign career selection option. We just need to give them the option. It's their choice what they pick up out of that. So that's it.
Yes, great, Jatin. That very nicely and rightly put. It is customized for each class. Everything has to be done in a very systematic manner, and ultimately, it is the child's decision. We are just helping them make that decision. So, that is very rightly put. Now we have about 5 to 6 minutes left, and I had 1 or 2 questions left. But before that, I wanted to ask all the panelists if it's okay if we share your email IDs and your LinkedIn IDs on the chat here. A quick thumbs up would be helpful.
Sure.
Perfect.
Sure,
So,
no problem.
Vada, can we just
No problem.
put the chats here also, so that all our ICCC participants can individually connect with them over an email or a LinkedIn message? That would be helpful. Now coming to Dakshini again. Dakshini has been using our SAS portal, and I just wanted to ask her how the portal is working out for her and how the automated tool helps her. And of course, human intervention will always be the most helpful. Nothing happens without human intervention. It's an amalgamation of the two that we have to do. So, but how does the entire platform work for you? Are you enjoying using it?
Yeah, to tell you the truth, actually, whenever there's a counseling business in mind, that you want to start with something like this, all you need the basic raw materials, right? It's like you need huge database of information that you can use as a ready reckoner and give your students. So I think Mindler gave me that confidence to start, take the plunge, because everything was there, the framework was ready, all the information is there. I just had to work within this framework, because I could immediately get my own website and launch myself. Although I have started my own company as furtheranceHub.com. That would be, I'm still working on my website, so you will not see it right now go live. But then I used Mindler's my website under Mindler, and I've been using it along with the coupons that I get, the assessments, and I give my clients, and that's how I've been using it. And what it does is, when you want to take the plunge, Mindler gives you a platter of options that you can choose from. If you're somebody who is very risk averse and you don't want to go in for 1 year commitment or engagement, then I was allowed to choose from 3,000 rupees to the highest level of commitment that I want to engage in. So I rightfully so, because I didn't want to risk my the level of commitment that I wanted to, so I picked the lowest thing. But still, whenever I need coupons, I reach out to Raghav and I hound him with a lot of questions, and always I'm on his, on his neck. I need help operating the system. But I'm beginning to get comfortable with the system, because everything is very neatly explained. And in the beginning, when they were orienting me to the whole system, they took me through a demo session of how to use each and every, element that is there on the platform. So they walk you through the whole process and the library, the dashboard. There are tools that you can use to create a roadmap for your student. Ultimately, when I used all of them, and when I give a report from my side to my client, it's a very neatly laid out thing of what options lie ahead, what are his choices, where he can reach out for information, what kind of exams are there. All that is listed, and I give them a complete report. So it's very satisfying at the end of the day when your client walks away convinced and happy, and they give you a very nice testimonial that you can be proud of and display on your website.
Great. Thank you so much, Dakshaini. Same question for you, Gargi. Gargi has been using it for a much longer period of time. So, how is the experience with the SaaS platform been?
Yeah, there are two things I think which fascinates me. Firstly, before I go into that one, we also check with a lot of other platforms and other assessment process available so far. But the two advantage that Mindler had given me: first, the flexibility; second, the information bank that even the Mindler portal gives you. Yes, you need to do research, but I think Mindler gives us the direction to get into the research, what all you need to find out. And it is very user friendly. To me at least, it is very user friendly. Like even all the information, when I am getting into the dashboard and I'm finding out about a particular individual counseling, all the input that I get on the platform, analysis of the input is there. Along with that, myself, of course, like I use my own self analysis to work on, because when a counselee and a family of the counselee comes to you, they will put forward a lot more questions to do that one. But at least one positive thing that I can say is, when we kind of share some input and things and logically try to explain to the parents and the counselee, everybody said one good thing about it: ki, wow ma'am, I how you already know about it without asking. So why I'm sharing this, the reason for that is the assessment process, the assessment outcome, the result of the assessment which is shared is excellent. That way, which help you as a counselor or me as a counselor to come up and help, as a counselor, to help the counselor to share or to suggest or to facilitate his or her journey.
Great. Thank you so much, Gargi. And